In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Webflow website, a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, we need to access the Add Elements tab in Webflow. This is easily done by clicking on the plus icon located on the left-hand side of your screen. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts and want to save a bit of time, you can simply press the A key on your keyboard. This method quickly brings up the same Add Elements tab, allowing you to move forward with ease. With the Add Elements tab open, take a moment to explore the various features available, but focus your attention by scrolling down to the Advanced section. Here you will find the Maps element, which is crucial for our task today. The Maps element enables you to bring the power of Google Maps directly into your website, enhancing user experience with precise location information. Once you've located the Maps element, click and drag it directly onto your site. This action places a placeholder map onto your page, a blank canvas ready to be configured. Now that the map is part of your site, it's necessary to configure it correctly to display the desired results. Click on the map placeholder to open the map settings. This is where you'll see a prompt requesting a Google Maps API key. The API key is essential for communicating with Google Maps services and is what makes this element interactive and responsive to user inputs. Within the settings, you'll notice a button labeled Add API Key. Clicking this will redirect you to the Google API page, where you'll need to enter your unique API key. If you haven't already obtained an API key, pause the process here to create one through the Google Cloud platform. Once your API key is ready, enter it into the designated space, and you're one step closer to a fully functional map on your site. With the API key successfully added and verified, it's time to return to your site editor. Here you can refine and personalize your map settings. Tailor the map to your specific needs by adjusting the address field, which pinpoints the exact location you wish to showcase. Provide a descriptive title and tooltip for improved user clarity. Adjust the zoom settings to determine how close or far the initial view should be, and select a map type that best aligns with the aesthetic and functional goals of your website. And just like that, you've adeptly added Google Maps to your Webflow website. The process we've gone through is straightforward yet powerful, equipping your site with interactive geographical prowess. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing how you implement these steps to enhance your web projects. Happy mapping!